Yeah, there we go. He's bending down. Loaded up and trucking. Oh, damn.
Well, I can't have the whole song here.
Come on.
Why the hell not?
Well, because I've got other stuff on here like...
I would sing it for you, but I'll videotape me.
Here, I'll do it.
Okay, go.
Country buffet. Oh, no. Gotta be hungry. That home cooking feeling when you come home.
You're awesome.
That's great.
We love you, Mama. We love you.
And you're missing it. She just sang.
Bravo, bravo.
Brother Lori.
You're missing it, but we have an internet connection.
Combined.
Bon Scott, the last album.
Lori
Bon.
doesn't have the greatest voice.
Boy, he drank
knows
himself to
all
death.
the tunes.
What a way to die.
She's got curly hair.
Choking your own vomit.
She's real excited. And he's